The thyroid is one of several endocrine glands that are found throughout your body. It is a butterfly-shaped gland located in the front of your neck. The glands of the endocrine system control many of your body's functions through chemical substances called hormones. These hormones are released directly into your bloodstream where they circulate and eventually bind to specific cells. The hormones produced by the thyroid gland regulate how your cells use energy and how fast the body works. This affects the growth of your body, including your hair, bones, weight, energy level, heart function, gastric function, and temperature. Thyroid disease is a very common endocrine disorder, especially in women. Hypothyroidism is a disease in which the thyroid produces less hormones than needed for normal body function. Symptoms include thin hair, weight gain, fatigue, decreased heart rate, constipation, and feeling cold. Hyperthyroidism, on the other hand, is a disease in which the thyroid produces too many hormones. Symptoms include hair loss, weight loss, increased heart rate, nervousness, frequent bowel movements, and perspiration. A doctor may diagnose thyroid disease by assessing a patient's symptoms, feeling for changes in the thyroid gland, and testing for the levels of thyroid hormones in the patient's blood. During the digestive process, all of the foods that we eat, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, are converted into glucose, commonly known as blood sugar. A hormone called insulin is produced by the pancreas. Glucose is the food for our cells and circulates in our bloodstream. But our cells cannot absorb glucose alone. Insulin must first bind to the cell's surface, which then activates the cells to absorb glucose. That process lowers our blood sugar level back to normal. In type 1 diabetes, the pancreas does not produce enough insulin, so glucose cannot refuel the cells. In type 2 diabetes, insulin is produced, but it doesn't work properly, so glucose is not consistently absorbed by the cell. Both have the same results. Glucose is not being absorbed by the cells. So that's why people who are diabetic have high blood sugar levels. Without the proper absorption of glucose out of our bloodstream, our cells are starving for food.